If you've ever wondered how Leonardo AI helps with different artistic styles, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Leonardo AI to create artwork in styles like anime, cinematic, concept art, digital painting, and realistic photography. This is a great way to speed up your creative process, explore new aesthetics, and get more consistent results without having to start from scratch every time. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll begin creating your image and choosing the style direction you want to follow. Leonardo AI is powerful because it gives you a mix of model selection, style presets, and prompt control, which means you can shape the final artwork much more precisely. Now, the first major step is choosing your model. This is very important because different models are trained to produce different kinds of visuals. For example, if you want a 3D or digital art look, you can select a foundational model like Albedo Base XL. If your goal is a lifelike photo or realistic portrait, you can choose a model such as Absolute Reality. The model you pick acts like the foundation of the image, so think of this as deciding whether you want your artwork to feel illustrated, cinematic, realistic, or highly stylized. After that, move to the left panel and choose your preferred settings or styles. Leonardo AI gives you preset style modifiers that can instantly influence the image. You may see options like anime, cinematic, or concept art. Turning these on helps inject specific lighting, textures, moods, and artistic aesthetics into your image. For example, anime can create more expressive and illustrated visuals, cinematic can add dramatic lighting and film-like atmosphere, and concept art can produce a more polished, world-building look that's perfect for games or fantasy scenes. Next, go to the text prompt bar and describe exactly what you want to create. This is where you can be very specific about artistic styles. Instead of just typing a simple subject, include details like an oil painting, impressionist style, thick brush strokes, or vaporwave aesthetic with a neon palette. The more you describe the artistic direction, the better Leonardo AI can match the style you want. You can also mention artistic eras, mediums, color palettes, and even the overall mood of the image. For example, you might ask for a Renaissance-inspired portrait, a watercolor landscape, or a futuristic cyberpunk city with glowing signs and deep shadows. One of the smartest things you can do is combine the model choice, style presets, and prompt details together. That combination gives Leonardo AI a much clearer understanding of your creative vision. So if you choose a realistic model, turn on a cinematic style, and then add a prompt like dramatic golden hour lighting, ultra-detailed skin texture, and editorial photography, you're guiding the system toward a very specific end result. If you choose an anime-style direction, you can use more colorful language, expressive features, and stylized backgrounds to make the image feel more authentic. Now let's talk about the negative prompt. This is another very useful feature because it helps block unwanted elements from appearing in your image. If you're making a cartoon or illustrated image, you might want to add terms like photorealistic, so the result doesn't drift too far into realism. If you're aiming for realism, you can block things like 3D render or cartoon to keep the output looking natural and lifelike. The negative prompt is especially helpful when the image is close to what you want, but there are a few distracting elements you need to remove. Once everything is set up, click Generate. Leonardo AI will then process your model choice, style settings, prompt, and negative prompt to create the image. Depending on how detailed your prompt is, you may want to refine the results by adjusting the style options or rewriting the description with more specific artistic language. That's one of the best parts of Leonardo AI. It gives you the flexibility to experiment with many different creative directions until you get the look you want. So the key takeaway is this. Leonardo AI helps with different artistic styles by letting you choose the right model, apply preset style modifiers, and guide the output with detailed prompts and negative prompts. That makes it easier to create artwork that feels consistent, intentional, and visually strong, whether you're going for anime, realism, concept art, or something totally unique. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.